Funny story, me and my mom were traveling and we had nowhere to be that day.
Okay.
You know, we had something coming up and they gave us an opportunity. You know, we fly Delta, great company. They're like, attention, we need extra room.
We're getting acting.
Yes, and me and my mom went and we gave up our seats and we got like a free flight and back. We're like, sweet. They do it again. Attention, can you please give up your seat?
Gonna need you to wrap it up.
We got 2 flights there and back, free.
Y'all, just for the record, she started this off saying this would be a funny story. I failed to see the hilarity here. Talking about our next opportunity for winter weather across North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee. A winter weather advisory is set to go into effect for the entire Tennessee Valley at 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. It will not expire until 6 p.m. tomorrow evening. What are we talking about? Well, I've kind of outlined the major points of my forecast here into 3 separate bullets. Snow, sleet, freezing rain, and liquid rain are all possible on Thursday morning, Thursday afternoon, some of us potentially into Thursday evening. The best chance for snow and freezing rain is going to be north of the Tennessee River and then up into southern Middle Tennessee. Incredibly cold air will quickly build into the Tennessee Valley once that precipitation comes to an end across all of North Alabama and southern Middle Tennessee. So when is all of this going to begin? Late tonight, for the most part, early tomorrow morning. 4 a.m. to 7 a.m. across northwest Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, and Franklin counties. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. across the I-65 corridor. This also includes southern Middle Tennessee, both Giles and Lincoln counties. And then 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. across northeast Alabama. That would be Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties. So here's what Futurecast looks like 6:30, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We're talking about a mixed bag of precipitation across northwest Alabama. Temperatures forecast to be sitting somewhere between 30 and 32 degrees. So we might be talking about a little bit of a liquid rain situation. At the same time, we might be talking about a little bit of freezing rain. At the same time, just straight snow beginning to move into southern Middle Tennessee, both Giles and Lincoln counties. We get to the morning commute, 8:30, 9 o'clock. We're still talking about mostly freezing rain across northwest Alabama, Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin counties, maybe getting into more of a mix across Lawrence County. We're talking about a snow freezing rain mix across far north Alabama, up across the state line. We're talking about straight snow up across southern Middle Tennessee. Again, this is during the morning commute. Look at the timestamp, 8:30 in the morning. And then for the most part, we're just talking about straight rain across Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties. Pay attention here, straight rain, because for the most part, across far northeast Alabama, Jackson, DeKalb, and Marshall counties, temperatures are hanging out in the mid and upper 30s. Then we get to the later part of the morning, 10:30, 11 o'clock. Still talking about snow up across southern Middle Tennessee. We're still talking about a snow freezing rain mix north of the Tennessee River up to the Alabama-Tennessee state line. And then across northeast Alabama, for the most part, we're talking about straight rain, but at the same time, we're beginning to see a little bit of freezing rain build in as temperatures continue to fall. We get to the lunch hour, many of us are beginning to dry out, still talking about straight snow up across southern Middle Tennessee. Really, the only folks that are going to have some level of consistency tomorrow are going to be those up across southern Middle Tennessee. Then we get to Thursday night, the precipitation comes to an end, the cloud cover begins to break, and this is where our temperatures are going to begin to fall. This is where we start the day on Friday morning. It is going to be bitterly cold outside. We're starting the day in the teens, 13, 14, 15, 16 degrees. That's where we're going to start the day. But I haven't factored in the wind. You factor in the wind, this is what I've got for you as far as a wind chill is concerned. Wind chills are going to be down into the single digits. So not only is it going to be bitterly cold, but on Friday morning, we're also going to be talking about the potential for black ice across the Tennessee Valley. Snow accumulations are going to be greatest up across southern Middle Tennessee. Some light snow is possible across North Alabama. The vast majority of us are going to be talking about some sort of ice accumulation. Looks like that's going to be greatest across northwest Alabama and then locations north of the Tennessee River. Here are some safety tips for you as far as driving on ice is concerned. Do not use your cruise control. Increase your following distance. Accelerate and brake slowly. Never slam on your brakes. Stay calm. Steer into the skid. You need to stay calm because you obviously don't want to overcorrect. That could be very dangerous as well. Just 33 degrees for a high temperature on Friday, 52 on Saturday, 58 degrees by the time we get to Sunday. A healthy opportunity for just straight rain Sunday across North Alabama, southern Middle Tennessee. We got more for you after the break.